Hello student, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study Organization of Commerce subject, chapter number 3, Entrepreneurship Development. In this lecture we are going to study functions of an entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur is a person who comes with new ideas, innovative ideas, and he start his business activities with new ideas. So there is a profit or increase in productivity in the business organization. So let us start functions of an entrepreneur. What are the functions of an entrepreneur? First function is innovation. So it is the first function of entrepreneur to innovate ideas, new ideas or changes will be made in the existing product. That's why the existing product can be sold or increase in sales of existing product with the help of such innovative ideas. So an entrepreneur is basically an innovator. He introduces new combinations of means of production. He must introduce new products or brings changes in the existing product. We have seen there are number of products entered into the market, but there will be change from time to time whenever there is a decrease in the demand of the same product. So entrepreneur makes changes in the existing product to increase the demand of such product. There are number of or variety of products entered into the market. So customers are satisfied with new products or new features in the existing product. जे पण प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये काही चेंजेस झाले किंवा न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंटर झाले मार्केटमध्ये म्हणजे कस्टमर काय होतात त्याच्याकडे अट्रॅक्ट होतात. सो इट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर टू मेक चेंजेस in the existing product according to the likes of the customers, taste of the customers, or bring new products entered into the market. Innovation is also necessary to solve problems that arise in the business. Because of changing in fashions, changing in technology, there is a need of innovations in the existing product, or entrepreneurs comes with new products in the business. Second function of an entrepreneur is determination of objectives. So entrepreneurs set the objectives, determine the objectives, goals of the business. An entrepreneur has to determine the aims and objectives of the business. It is clear before starting any type of business or to start to continue the existing business. He must clear aims and objectives of the business. There may be difference between primary and secondary objectives of the enterprise. Primary objectives of the enterprise to earn profits, and secondary objectives of the enterprise to satisfy the customers. He can change these objectives as per the market situation. जशी सिच्युएशन असणार आहे, मार्केट कंडिशन्स असणार आहे, अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट एंटरप्रेन्योर मेक चेंजेस. थर्ड function of an entrepreneur is development of market. So every entrepreneur when come up with new products, new suggestions in the existing product, so he will create the demand for the same product. It means that development of market. The entrepreneur has to find out different ways for marketing the product and services of his enterprise. जो पण त्याच्या मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग बिझनेसचा प्रोडक्ट असणार आहे, कंपनीचा जो प्रोडक्ट असणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काय करणार आहे, तो त्याचा डिमांड इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी किंवा तो सर्व्हिसेस जर प्रोव्हाइड करत असेल कस्टमरला तर त्याचं डिमांड त्याच्यासाठी इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी काय करणार आहे, तो मार्केटिंगसाठी वेगवेगळे वेज तो किंवा आयडियाज चॅनल्स शोधून काढणार आहे. He can conduct surveys or research to understand the consumer's demand. For this purpose, every entrepreneur have to conduct survey from time to time or making research and development programs, conducting research and development programs in the organization. When the markets are developed constantly, the demand of the consumers will increase. If there is a improvement in the products from time to time according to the customer's demand, taste, preferences, choices of the customer, then there will be market created for the same product. For this purpose, there is a conducting research, survey is necessary. Fourth point, new technology. So, to face global competition, due to globalization, global competition increases. So, in global world, every day there is an invention of new technology. Introduction of new technology will always result in growth of business. For example, new machineries, advanced technology, robotic technology, new and scientific methods of production, etc. So, to face global competition, there is a improvement in such type of machineries. For example, old technology is not usable for the purpose of increasing productivity, so new technology will be adopted by entrepreneur. So it is the function of an entrepreneur to adopt new changes like new technology, new machineries, advanced technology and other methods, new and scientific methods of production. Point number 5, good relation. So every entrepreneur having good relation with others. Others means other persons means employees, customers, other businessmen, etc. It is necessary to maintain healthy working atmosphere in an organization. It depends upon the efficient relation between subordinates and superiors. Coordination among the employees is the key of success. Whenever there is a good relations, healthy relations with the subordinates of superiors, there is a healthy relation or good relation between superior and subordinates. So there is an increase in the productivity of the organization and progress also increases. So it is the key of success. Point number 6, organizing funds. So next function of an entrepreneur to organize the resources or funds of the organization. So entrepreneur needs to find out different financial resources because adequate and continuous finance is always necessary for business. For the purpose of growth of the business or expansion of the business, there is a necessity of finance continuously. So it is an function of an entrepreneur to find out the different ways of financial resources. Good and honest relation with the investors is necessary for every business. So investors are those persons who invest into the business. So entrepreneur having good relation with those investors who invest into the business. Point number 7, taking decisions. An entrepreneur has to take wise decisions for his enterprise in the progress of the enterprise. There is a hand of an entrepreneur. So he will take positive decisions for the enterprise. Timely and correct decisions are also important and necessary for a proper business plan. You should always consider the pros and cons before taking any business decisions. Means positive impact and negative impact also will be taken into consideration while taking decisions by the entrepreneur. So today we studied functions of an entrepreneur. In the next lecture we are going to study entrepreneurship development. Till then, thank you.